How to turn on multi-guest request on TikTok Live. So first is of course to open the TikTok application. On your home page, click the plus icon on the bottom part of the screen, and in here you will see camera, story, and templates. As you can see, I have no live option since this function is only enabled to users with 1,000 followers or more. So just for reference on the steps, I will show you screenshots on what you should follow. So click on Go Live. After a few seconds, this page should appear. On the bottom corner of your screen, you should see the guest icon. So click on that. After this, click on the settings icon, the gear one on this part. And in here, you have the option to choose the layout of your page. So click on grid and allow request from the viewers. Turn the toggle on that on. After this, multiple guests can now request to join on your TikTok Live. So that is how you turn on multi-guest request on TikTok Live. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a great day.